ETC Preußen Berlin gegen Hallo Saale Bulls. Nur auf Hauptstadtsport TV.
No way, I cannot believe I just saw that on the ATP Tour. Incredible. How seriously is he taking this match? Maybe he just doesn't believe he's going to break the half serve back, but that is a sensational trick shot. Shame he didn't win the point. I think he's won a few fans, it's safe to say, even though he's up against a German. The crowd here absolutely loving that.